Apples are highly beneficial for both overall health and skin due to their rich nutrient profile. Apples contain antioxidants and help in skin repair and elasticity. Apples help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Weight management, low in calories and high in water content. Apples help with satiety and weight control. Vitamin C. This vitamin supports collagen production, which keeps the skin firm and youthful. Antioxidants. The antioxidants in apples help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, delaying signs of aging. Hydration. Apples have a high water content, which helps in keeping the skin hydrated and glowing. Skin healing. The nutrients in apples can speed up the healing process of damaged skin and prevent skin conditions like acne. Oranges, rich in vitamin C, which helps in collagen production. Collagen is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness, reducing wrinkles, and promoting a youthful appearance. Antioxidants. The antioxidants in oranges help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, pollution, and sun exposure, which can lead to premature aging and blemishes. Hydration. Oranges have a high water content, keeping the skin hydrated, which is key to maintaining a radiant and glowing complexion. Detoxification. The citric acid in oranges aids in detoxifying the skin, clearing out toxins and impurities, and promoting a clear, bright skin tone. Watermelon keeps skin hydrated and contains vitamins A and C. Watermelon is 92% water, which helps keep the skin hydrated, plump, and smooth. Watermelon contains antioxidants like vitamin C, which help fight free radicals and reduce signs of aging, such as fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin A. This vitamin helps in skin cell repair and renewal, improving skin tone and texture. Anti-inflammatory. Watermelon contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can soothe skin irritation or redness. Including watermelon in your diet or using watermelon-based skincare products can contribute to healthier, glowing skin. Pomegranate is highly beneficial for the skin due to its rich nutrient content. Pomegranate can also provide some protection against harmful UV rays, reducing the risk of sun damage. Anti-aging properties. It stimulates collagen production, helping to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, keeping the skin youthful. Healing and repair. It promotes cell regeneration, helping to heal skin damage, reduce acne scars, and improve skin texture. Mangoes, rich in vitamins that help in skin regeneration and repair. Exfoliation. The natural acids in kiwi can help in gentle exfoliation, removing dead skin cells and promoting a smoother complexion. Rich in vitamin C. Kiwi is packed with vitamin C, which helps in collagen production. Collagen is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. Bananas offer several benefits for the skin. Rich in vitamins. They are high in vitamins B and E, which help to nourish and moisturize the skin. Bananas have anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe irritated or inflamed skin. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, full of antioxidants that fight skin aging. Vitamin C, essential for collagen production, which helps maintain skin elasticity and firmness. Healthy fats. They are rich in monounsaturated fats, which help keep your skin moisturized and supple. Vitamins. Avocados are high in vitamin C and C. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that protects the skin from oxidative damage, while vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, which helps maintain skin elasticity. Papaya contains enzymes that exfoliate dead skin cells. Enzymes. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain that helps exfoliate the skin, removing dead skin cells and promoting a brighter complexion. Thanks for watching.